video, we are assembling the Nurse Get Well card. So I'm going to start, I think, with my not with my front piece. Your front piece you'll want to do last. So I'm going to go ahead and start here and prepare the back piece. So you'll notice in your file you have one back piece that's white, and I should have taken these slits off of it. This should be a solid piece. And this is so that you have room to write on the back of the card. And then we have these and I am going to pop up these small flowers on the back. Oops. Okay. And then when I glue this on, you can see there's just a slight border all the way around. So you just want to just kind of make that border all the way around. I'm going to glue my white backing on. Now, if you want to cover the tabs on these, then you would put these on first and then put that backing on. Okay, so there's the back. Now we're going to take our nurse and put her together. We have the red. That's just for the slice form. Then you have your back layer is the color of the shoes. And then we're going to put her head together. So you just want to put glue there at the top. And you'll notice that the face is cut out like that part of the hair. Just go ahead and put that right on like that. Then the nurse's hat, we're going to line up towards the bottom of this piece, just like this. And then line that up to that, just like so. Put on her nose. I just want to check and see. I think I might want to pop this piece up with some foam tape. There we are. And I'm going to cut a thin strip on the foam tape to pop this up as well. And I think I'm going to put the foam tape on her first, and then I'm just going to apply this piece onto the foam tape. That way I've got it in so that it's not on top of her braids. Just like that. And then go ahead and glue her onto the base. And then we can slide it into place. Just takes a little bit of wiggling around to get it into the slots. There we are. And there it is so far. And then, so I've decided I'm not going to cover these pieces, which you use these for, and you fold these over and glue this on. So to prepare the front, you're just going to fold these pieces over. And glue them down. And then take your base piece, glue that on like that. Now you can put on your Band-Aid. And you'll see here the edge to put that on. I have already glued on my letters here, Get Well. And there is, whoops, she's popping out of there. And there is the Gnome Nurse Get Well card. Thank you for joining me.